Hey, it's John Andrew here, and we're continuing the loan series, video 3 of 4. Today we're going to be talking about the VA loan. Pros, cons, what the market is doing with VA loans, why VA loans are maybe not being used as much. It is what it is. But after this brief intro, we'll get into it. Alright guys, so if you please could like, comment, subscribe, help me grow this channel. If you find it useful, share. I don't care if we get 10 views or 5 views or whatever, 1,000 views. As long as someone gets help, that's all I care about. Now, that being said, the VA loan. Who's it for? Well, I mean, surprise, it's for veterans. If you have served in the military. And yeah, basically, guys, I mean, it's a loan for veterans. And what are some pros and cons of this? Let's give out 2 pros and we'll give out 2 cons, and then we can go into some real life situations and, you know, probably talk the stats of why the VA loan's not being used very much right now, which I still kind of find odd, but nonetheless. Pro number 1, fully financed. You don't need to put any cash down for a VA loan. FHA, you have to put down 3.5. Conventional, 3% if you meet the requirements, but most of the time, 5% is what you need to put down. And hey, that is a big benefit, guys. I mean, fully financed loan, yeah, pretty awesome and a well-deserved benefit at the very least, right? So that helps people. It goes a long way. Now, what's another pro, you might ask? Well, pro number 2, no mortgage insurance. Now, I don't know how many of you have been following me, or, you know, I don't expect you to know this, so forgive me if it sounds redundant. But guys, if you're new or if you just haven't been catching on, mortgage insurance is typically what you have to pay for FHA. Unless you put 20% down, you're going to have to pay it over the lifetime of the loan. For conventional loan, mortgage insurance goes away once you hit a loan-to-value ratio of 80-20. Now, why is this important, right? Do stuff with my hands. It's important because that's an extra, you know, conventional and FHA could be an extra 50 to 150 on your monthly mortgage payment, which you might be thinking, oh, that's not bad, until you have a $1,500 payment and then they tack on another $100. You're gonna be like, whoa, wait, what? That's gas money. That's something, you know, or that's a steak dinner for some of you. I don't know, you know. I have no family. Some of you go to Chili's and spend $100 on appetizers. I don't know how y'all do it. Anyway, all jokes aside about my loneliness, I have my dog though. She stays asleep, but still got her. Whatever. I live with my grandma. Anyway. Oh, this is fun. Some cons, of course. I'm married to the real estate game. Some cons, of course. What are some cons of the VA loan? Well, you have a tougher appraisal process. And I've been through a couple. They weren't too fun. I mean, you have things such as, hey, like you might not have a railing. You might have like 2 steps and there's no railing. They'll literally go in there and they'll say, hey, you need to put in a railing or else we're not closing this home. Like, legit, unless you do this, Mr. Seller or buyer, whatever, work together, right, to get it done, we will not approve your loan. It will not go through. It will be placed a contingency. Needs to put railing. You know, they'll do little things like paint chips. You also got to do things like in the inspection. You have to have a termite inspection. Not everywhere in the state of Texas for every loan do you have to have a termite inspection. Especially in the DFW area, you don't have to have a termite inspection. You can do it if you want, but you don't have to. But for a VA loan, you have to do it. And that could cost, I mean, I really don't have inspection rates down. My guy charges about $100 extra, give or take, you know, to get that inspection, that termite inspection done. I probably had like one of my clients that wasn't a VA do it. Fortunately, At least the last VA loan that we did, he did it for free for veterans. Kind of awesome on him. He's also a veteran. Great guy. If you need an inspector, let me know. I'd love to put you in touch with him. But yeah, what's another con, you may ask? Well, this kind of has like a catch-22 to it. I don't even know if I'm using that right. It just sounded good, at least for that brief moment until I ruined it. But that's the purpose of this video. I'm just having fun. So that being said, what's the last con? Well, or one of the cons at least, is you do have a one-time fee that you have to pay at closing. It is relatively high, unless you're a disabled veteran. Then you don't have to pay it. It's waived. So let's talk about a real-life, real-world scenario that I went through. Well, everything was golden. Getting the individual approved and all that was amazing. It was really just about going under contract. We negotiated quite the deal, and this was right before the market went into complete chaos in the spring. So this was early fall. And we had it locked up, and we were moving fine. And next thing you know, the appraiser comes in, and he's like, hey, I know you got it under contract for $230, and they're going to give you back $5,000. But we are going to have to cut the price down. I only see the home worth $222. So that's an $8,000 difference. That puts us below that $225 mark that we wanted, or that the seller wanted at least. So we had to renegotiate terms, and basically almost everything flipped upside down. But we managed. Ultimately, got the lender involved, and the lender's like, hey, look, we're going to have to push back closing because of this, but if I can get you closed by this date, and we can agree to terms, within 24 hours, we'll have it done. And that's what happened. But guys, it's just a bunch of little weird things for whatever reason. I don't know, maybe I just don't have any luck with it, but just some... that's what it is with VA loans. Very good loans, well-deserved, awesome. In the market right now, we're not seeing a lot of VA loans make it through. I don't know entirely why. I've seen the numbers, seen the stats, and it's saying that as of right now, which it's August 2021, that VA loans have kind of taken a back seat. I know FHA loans have been tough to get as well. Well, not tough to get, but tough to get accepted. But to see the numbers that I saw, the dramatic fall off for VA loans has been surprising. I haven't worked with any as of late, but I have seen some win. It's just, hey guys, if you have access to it, absolutely. I mean, I hope you have a realtor, if not me, that's willing and able to negotiate and guide you through those waters to help get your offer accepted. But hey guys, look, a VA loan, don't be discouraged. Yes, is it a little bit tougher? Absolutely, to get accepted. Yeah. I mean, but hey, it's worth it. The benefits, the pros far outweigh the cons, in my opinion. And it's a well-deserved, and, it's definitely something that you should take advantage of if you have access to, if you can do so. All right, guys, well, I hope this video helped. I hope you guys can like, comment, subscribe, share it. I hope it helps everyone in your sphere. And if you need a realtor, hey, I'm here. Feel free. All the links down below lead you to my social media, such as John Andrew Holmes. More active on Instagram and TikTok for now. Facebook page is a little bit more professional. And then, of course, you have my Calendly link, which you can book an appointment with me. And, of course, talk nothing but real estate for at least a good 30 minutes. But, honestly, I can talk it forever. Nonetheless, guys, I love you all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, we'll be talking about the USDA loan. It'll be our last video for the loan series. And then, well, I got a few ideas, but ultimately I'm going to reach out to you guys to see which way we should go. Nonetheless, I love you all. Goodbye. Signing out.